This video demonstrates how to use the Hotspot tool with Brightspace Editor. Hotspots provide a multi-layer learning experience enriched with multimedia and interactive components that promote exploration, analysis, and evaluation. Learners can select and open active icons to learn more about parts of an image. The Hotspot element comes with the purchase of Creator Plus. In Brightspace Editor, select Other Insert Options, Insert Element. From the Insert Element menu, select Hotspot. In the Learner Instructions field, choose to leave the standard instructions or write your own custom instructions that provide more details or context. Click Add Image and select an image from your personal device. You must enter alt text in the alternative text field. Click Save. Click anywhere on the image to place a hotspot marker. On the right panel, select the hotspot to edit or add. You can enter a custom name for your hotspot. The hotspot content field allows you to add associated content like text, images, videos, and links. Click Hotspot Marker to change the style and color of the hotspot marker. When you're done editing your hotspot, click Hotspots to return to the hotspot selection option. Repeat these steps to add up to 9 hotspot markers. After adding all your hotspot markers, below Learner Instructions, click Accessibility. Accessible Hotspots Only lets you add a description for each hotspot marker using micro-alt tags. This is a great option where the position of the hotspot or the context surrounding the hotspot don't impact learning. Fully Accessible Image lets you split the image into a grid that screen reader users can navigate cell by cell to hear a micro-alt tag description of the full image, including the position of hotspots within the grid. This option is ideal to ensure that screen reader users have access to the same contextual insights as any other user. You must add a micro-alt tag for each cell. Use Add Column and Add Row to create the necessary grid size for your image. You can only have one hotspot marker in any grid cell. The valid grid check will be displayed when you meet these criteria. Click Save and Insert to add the image into Brightspace Editor.